going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing off the tools I keep in my garage and the equipment. So over there, kind of buried, is a generator. Next to that is a snow blower, leaf blower. Just giving you guys kind of an idea. Extra gas can. My Welding Hood, this is a Pipeliner Pro. I really like it. This is a face shield, obviously. It's got the flip up for actually fuel cutting and then grinding. Got a bunch of grinders in here. Let's take it out. Go over that in a little bit. So I have a small mobile welding business I run. It's my quote binder. A bunch of various tools in here. I inherited this from my grandfather, so I need to organize everything. Got a big channel locks, safety glasses, bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Got some sockets and some wrenches, some more wrenches, some marking utensils. In here, got a bunch of screwdrivers, Phillips, flathead, all different types, grinder nut, flint strikers. This one I got some levels, plumb bob, vice grips, some C-clamps, soapstone, pipe fitter's handbook, wire cutters, file, this one's really nice, tape measure, stick rules, copper cutter, tin snips, Allen wrenches, drill bit set. I got more sockets, drill bit set, adjustables, all different types of wrenches, Nipex channel locks. I love these, are made in Germany. Quite expensive, but they're definitely worth the money. More channel locks. In here I got a bunch of hammers, super sledge, ball peen, rubber mallet, etc. In here I got all my welding gloves, die grinder, some grinding wheels. And in here we got a grinder with the cutoff wheel, grinder with the wire wheel, got a small come along, two 48-inch pipe wrenches. I believe this one is an off-brand, and this one is a high-quality rigid one. These are quite expensive, but they're well worth the money. Some straps in there. What else? Heat shield. More pipe wrenches, some welding rod, 7018, 6010, some work gloves, rod holder, bunch of ratchet straps in there. I know everything's kind of disorganized right now. Got another toolbox, some knee pads. Here, got a bunch of lockout, takeout stuff, bench grinder. That's pretty much it, honestly, as of now. Working on, I have a small stick welder that I connect to there and my 240 volt outlet that I installed, and working on getting a welder generator. So more of that to come. So yeah, that's basically what I got started out so far. What tools I have, not much right now, but enough to get me started. I like to do a lot of structural heavy equipment welding. Got an air compressor right there. I do some piping, but I try to stray away from that. You need some pretty hefty insurance to be doing steam and gas piping, so I try to stay away from that as of now until I go full time in it. It's not really realistic to do that right now. Thanks for watching.